Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy, and I am back with another banger today. As you guys know, Jordan Brand has linked up with Supreme once again to collaborate on another Jordan sneaker. Funniest thing is a lot of people aren't feeling these Jordan 14s. For the life of me, man, I honestly think it's because you haven't seen them in person. For the people who did see them in person and you still don't like them, I understand it. It's like a love and hate shoe. I really don't know too many people that's in the middle. Either you really like it or you really hate it. Honestly, my first thoughts about this sneaker was, man, it's ugly. Okay, I seen the rhinestones. I didn't really like what was going on. I thought they overdid it, but I wound up hitting on Sneakers app. Originally, I didn't even want this sneaker. I actually was just going for a pair of 14s to wear to Dallas for my homeboy Fight Academy. I know I said this in my last video when I unboxed it, but this is just for the people who haven't seen that video. So yeah, man, I didn't really want this shoe and I hit on it and I got it and I actually like it a lot, man. So I plan on keeping these and I hope to change a lot of minds out there because I know a lot of people don't like them. Regardless of the fact, man, I would like you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are grinding, trying to hit 100,000 by the end of the year. Also, my Instagram and Twitter is linked down below in the description, as it is every single video. So in my last video, I asked you guys to let me know if you wanted me to do this on foot and review, and a lot of you guys did ask for it. So that let me know a few of you guys are interested in this actual shoe, because it was more like on the nah side and on the yeah side, but I thought, you know, hey look, let me go ahead and get this out. So if you're rocking with this, man, let me get a thumbs up, but regardless of the fact, let's get into the video. Here we have it, man, the Jordan box, and one thing I liked about it is the Supreme label on the box. Now, I'm not a big Supreme guy. I don't own a lot of Supreme. The only Supreme things that I have is the Jordan 5 Supreme. That was like the desert camo, and this will be the second in my collection. One thing I can say about Supreme is even though they are expensive, from like the t-shirts to the actual sneakers or any other thing that they decide to collab with, it's never cheap material and it's never like terribly done. A lot of Jordans have factory flaws. A lot of Jordans have slip-ups. I believe whenever they link up and actually, you know, make collabs with other brands, they're more cognizant of what they're doing, because like you don't want to push out a product, a bad product, with another brand's name on it. So I feel like they kind of tidy up a lot of factory flaws and make sure they don't really mess up as much. That's just me. Let me know if I'm tripping down below in the comments. So as you guys see, man, it is an all black box. It's blacked out with that Jordan Jumpman in the middle. And like I said, I've never seen a box like this. It also has the size 12. You already know size 12 gang. That's how we repping here. The colorway on this shoe is white, university red, black, and university rogue. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what we got. Y'all know I like to open it up together as always, man, but here we have it. This is the Jordan 14. I actually grabbed the other one because I already got that all fancied up and everything. Here we have it, man, the Jordan 14 Supreme. And like I said earlier, this shoe is way better in hand, and as you can see by the colorway, bro, it's popping. Like I ain't gonna hold you. I know a lot of people hate it, but look, it's popping, bro. Now, originally this sneaker comes with the Jordan hang tag that got the Supreme on it. Yes, I took that off just because I've never been a huge fan of rocking your Jordans with the hang tag off of it. However, I did keep the hang tag on for the on foot, just for people who do like hang tags. I try to look out for y'all and show you how it would look with and without it. So hopefully you like that later in the video. One thing I did love about this sneaker, man, is how many Supreme stamps and how many Supreme labels is actually on it. You get this huge Supreme in that red right there on the tongue. You flip it around for my favorite part of the sneaker, you get that Supreme on the back. I love the Jordan 14 because, as you guys know, it's actually made after a Ferrari. I believe it was the 550, and the back looks like the brake lights on the back of a Ferrari, man. But that 23 and that Supreme right up under the Jumpman, bro, it just looked great. I love that look, bro. And of course, you get another Supreme branding right there on up under the Jumpman on the side panel as well. So you get like 3, if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure. Yeah, I think that's it, man. You get 3 Supreme brandings on a sneaker, the tongue being the biggest one. Another thing that I was not sure about was the balls, or the whatever you want to call them, the bedazzledness on the side of the sneaker and on the back side. I was like, yo, like, what's good with this? I ain't gonna hold you, like, on dog, I was not a fan, and it's still like, did they need it? I don't know. They give it like an extra touch. My deepest fear is me rocking these and like a pair or a few of them fall off, and now the shoe just look finagle. You know what I'm saying? The shoe looks incomplete, and I don't want to go out like that. That's really like my main concern, to be completely honest. But y'all know, man, the collection is kind of deep, so I doubt I get to the point where I rock these so many times that it starts falling apart. But for somebody who doesn't have like an extensive collection, and you know, they're sneaker rotation isn't that large, maybe it can happen, man. So I would just say look out for that. But that's enough of the chit chat, man. Let's get into an up close and deep review of the sneaker, and we can see how we feel about it at the end. Starting at the bottom, man, of course we get your regular Jordan 14 outsole, man. The dope part about this is that metal plate in the middle of the sneaker with the Jordan Jumpman right there in the middle. I'm not gonna lie, like it looks good, especially in that metallic red. It's a great look. Moving up to the uppers, man, you get that same look. And one thing about this shoe, it does not have the carbon fiber. We all know that the 14s is very, very much known for the carbon fiber on it. I don't see any carbon fiber on this shoe. I could be wrong, but I don't see it at all. Like none at all. You do get this metal plate back here on the side as well, and you get the black uppers mixed with the shark teeth. That's what I call them, the shark teeth black, going up on the toe box as well. Now for the material of the shoe, man, on the toe box, it's actually pretty good. No, it's not like a Jordan 1 leather or nothing super soft or plush, but it is very good in quality. It also has that Jumpman right there on the toe box as well, and it also gives it another look. That red Jumpman on the toe box kind of offset the shoe a little bit, give it a little bit more splash of color. Moving up to the side panel of the shoe, that is where you get like your bedazzled look. That's where you get like the silver balls. That's where you get the concerns, and that's where a lot of people get turned off by this shoe. I'm not gonna lie, the blue and black one came out the same day. The blue and black one is better for me. The reason why I say that is because we get so many classic Jordan 14s, or just classic Jordans period, in this white, red, and black colorway, because it's the Bulls colorway. As you guys see now, I got on a Just Do It Mike shirt, man, just trying to be in spirit, but we always get Chicago Bull colorway sneakers, so whenever they go away from that, I kind of tend to those a little bit more. And this is on this side panel of the sneaker, and on the inner side panel of the sneaker, you get this bedazzled ball look on the side of the sneaker. Moving on to my favorite part, is the back heel. The back heel has to be hands down the best part of the sneaker. As you see, it has this iconic 23, the Supreme logo, and the Jumpman. It also has like this nice red mesh type material on the back tab as well. It's just a great look. Once again, on that tongue, you see the Supreme right there in bold, and that is pretty much it for your Jordan 14 Supreme. Even the leather right here on the back heel feels just like the toe box, man. It's a pretty good sneaker. Almost forgot about the branding you have right here as well, man. The Jordan Jumpman with the Supreme on the side. And it is a pretty good shoe to me, I'm not gonna lie. Now what I'm gonna do is show you guys how these look on foot. Maybe it'll give you a different understanding, or maybe it helps you like them better. Or honestly, maybe it makes you hate them even more. So I'm not sure, but regardless, we're gonna get into that and then head right back to the end of the video. Alright you guys, that is the end of the video, man. Hopefully you enjoyed the Air Jordan 14 Supreme collab. Let me know down below if these were worth copping. Also, what was your favorite one? Was it the white, red, and black colorway, or was it the blue and black colorway? Me personally, I definitely go with the blue and black. Both of these are going for the same amount of money resale, so if you want one or the other, you're not really losing out on like too much of a price difference. Regardless of the fact, I appreciate you guys as well, man. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. Let's try to get this as far as we can. The likes definitely help the videos get a lot further in the algorithm, so if you support, please leave a like. That is the end of the video, man. I appreciate you guys for watching once again, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.